Hello, Scorpio. December is a month of significant introspection for you, especially with several key retrogrades taking place in your chart. With Mercury and Jupiter both in retrograde, it is time to slow down and reevaluate your current path. Mars retrograde is influencing your fifth house of creativity and romance, so expect some unexpected twists in these areas of your life. However, retrogrades also provide a chance for reflection, making December a prime opportunity to course correct and lay down solid foundations for the future. Let's dive into how the stars are aligning for you this month. Finances are likely to be under review this month. Mercury retrograde in your second house of wealth and possessions suggests that there could be some confusion or delays in financial matters. You may find that payments are delays or there is miscommunication regarding shared resources or debts. It is essential to be cautious with investments or purchases as retrogrades tend to bring uncertainty. However, this is an excellent time to revisit your budget, review past financial decisions, and correct any errors from the past. Mars retrograde in your fifth house might also affect any financial ventures related to creativity, entertainment, or speculative investments. Keep your financial decisions grounded and avoid taking risks. As Venus moves into Capricorn later in the month, you'll find more stability and clarity in your financial affairs. Career wise, Career wise, December may present some delays or adjustments. With Mercury retrograde in your second house, you may experience some disruptions or misunderstandings in your professional life. If you're working on a big project or negotiating for a raise, it is a good idea to double check all communications and agreements. With Mars retrograde in your fifth house, you may feel a bit creatively blocked or frustrated when it comes to career related projects. However, these retrogrades also offer you the opportunity to reassess your goals, revisit past work, and improve your professional skills. Venus will bring a more favorable energy towards the end of the month, helping you create more harmonious work relationships and align your career path with your long term values. In the love department, December brings some important shifts. Mars retrograde in your fifth house of romance might cause you to rethink your romantic connections. If you're in a relationship, old issues might resurface, requiring you to heal and move forward. Singles might find themselves drawn to past lovers or reconsidering what they truly want from a relationship. Communication may be trickier than usual, especially with Mercury retrograde in your second house. So, it is important to avoid making impulsive decisions or starting new relationships during this time. Instead, focus on inner growth and understanding the dynamics of your past relationships. As Venus moves into Capricorn later in the month, you'll find that your love life becomes more grounded and stable. Travel may be unpredictable for you this month as both Mercury and Mars are retrograde. Mars retrograde in your fifth house may bring delays or obstacles to travel plans related to recreation or leisure. You might have to cancel or postpone a vacation or even reconsider the purpose of your trip. Mercury retrograde in your second house also suggests that travel for work or business may experience setbacks. It is best to check all your travel details thoroughly and remain flexible with your plans. If possible, avoid making any major travel commitments this month. However, Venus moving into Capricorn will offer opportunities for travel later on, especially if it aligns with work or educational pursuits. For students, December could bring some delays or confusion in your educational endeavors due to Mercury retrograde in your second house of learning. You may find that assignments are delayed or communication with teachers or mentors is unclear. However, this retrograde offers a great opportunity to revisit your studies, review past work, and clear up any misunderstandings. Mars retrograde in your fifth house could also cause some frustration if you're pursuing creative studies or artistic endeavors, but it is a good time to refine your skills and revisit past projects. By the end of the month, Venus in Capricorn will help you find more clarity and focus, providing the opportunity to make solid progress towards your academic goals. Health wise, December could bring some minor setbacks or slowdowns, especially with Mercury retrograde in your second house of physical well being. You may experience some digestive issues or feel more stressed than usual, especially if you're dealing with work related pressure. Mars retrograde in your fifth house could also lead to physical fatigue, especially if you're overdoing it in the areas of exercise or creativity. It is important to focus on your self care routine and make time to rest. Avoid pushing yourself too hard during this time and take extra care of your physical health, particularly your back and spine, which may be more sensitive. Later in the month, Venus moving into Capricorn will bring more stability, allowing you to improve your health routine and find a better balance. This month may bring some emotional ups and downs, particularly with Mars retrograde in your fifth house. You could experience emotional blockages or frustration in your creative outlets or romantic life. Mercury retrograde in your second house of self worth might also bring moments of self doubt or feelings of insecurity. It is essential to take time for introspection and release any negative thoughts or emotional baggage from the past. Journaling or meditative practices will help you process these emotions. As Venus enters Capricorn later in the month, you'll find a sense of emotional clarity and peace, allowing you to release any lingering tension and embrace a more stable emotional state. December is a month for reflection. With multiple retrogrades influencing different areas of your life, it is an ideal time to reassess your finances, relationships, and personal growth. Rather than pushing forward aggressively, focus on adjusting your course, learning from the past, and making adjustments when necessary. By the end of the month, Venus will help you find harmony and stability in your relationships and personal endeavors, setting you up for a more positive and fulfilling new year. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I am your astrologer N Baksh. We'll meet in the next video.